your girl, your Highland girl, with her stories. But this morning or today, it's not about just stories, just talking. You know, I am here in San Francisco, California. California is where she stay. She live over 2,000 miles away. So I wanted to see this Golden Gate Bridge, but I walk, and I'm here trying to do this thing for you guys to let you see what I'm doing. So even though they look a country girl, they look a Butterfoot girl from out of Jamaica, even though, who would have known that I would be sitting here today doing this? Who would have known? Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. And let us talk about doing things by yourself, by yourself, for yourself, by yourself. And even if you have friends, you can do it with them too. But guess what? Don't wait for someone to take you somewhere. Don't wait for someone to take you to dinner. Don't wait for someone to take you on a vacation. Okay? Take yourself where you want to go. Do the things that you want to do and not what other people want you to do. So, see, I'm out here. My nose cold. So, and as I said, give you a better background. A better background, eh? So I'm here and doing me. Yes, people. I'm doing me. Hey. So like, share, and subscribe, and take it all the way out there. And as I said, I'm in San Francisco, and I stop at Pier 39, and then I walk all the way to that says Pier 27. Someone told me to go visit Pier 1, and it would be hop higher. So I don't know if I stop too soon or what, but I'm not quite sure where else I should go. And I don't know how to get to Pier 1 if I just keep going. But there is so much noise in the background, and because of the noise in the background, I decided to just come and share this little with you. So do for yourself. Go out, smell the roses, drink the coffee. Smell the roses and drink the coffee. If coffee is your thing, and if you can't do coffee, you can do tea or even hot water, people. But do stuff for yourself. Every time you look around, someone is handing out, hey, gimme. Why can't you just give yourself something instead of giving other people everything you have? But come to think of it, me look a Butterfoot girl from out of Jamaica. Would you have thought that I would be here, doing this? A matter of fact, 2 years ago, I didn't think I would be here. 2 years ago, I couldn't do this thing for myself. 2 years ago, I was going blind. 2 years ago, I did not know my mother from a broomstick, as my sister liked to put it. So 2 years ago, I was going through a lot of craziness. 2 years ago, but look at me. Look at how God smiled down. God just smiled down at me, and I can be here doing this video for you guys. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let us take it all the way. Them say we're not dead no dash way, and I heard somebody say we're not dead no call it duppy. Yes, so let us have fun now. Let us have fun, and let us take care of ourselves and take care of our friends and families. Love yourself. Look in the mirror and go, "Mwah, so you're so pretty." I had a conversation with a friend this morning, and he was saying how busy life have him, and things that he normally would have done, like go places and stuff, he can't because he find himself, the money is good, but at the time he doesn't have any time for himself because the money is good. So I was like, sounds like you on a hamster wheel. And he was like, boy birdie, because he called me birdie. Boy birdie, may I tell you, I'm so weird, you know, because I'm a work from Sunday to Sunday. But guess what? It's all good because if it still pay the bills. But then you have people who do not even want to work from Monday to Tuesday. And every time you look around, them hands stretch out. So when you have to do what you have to do, just go ahead and do it. Do it and do it to the best of your ability. And let nobody call you an idiot or even look at you like you're a boo-boo fool. Because you have some of them out there too, you know, where them things say you are boo-boo the fool. And every time them want something, them know you. And every time, it's like it never stops. It never stops. They just keep want. So get in the habit of doing something for yourself. And every time somebody asks you for something, you give yourself something. Because if you keep giving and giving and giving, you might lose yourself. You might give away yourself. And one day, you wake up and you realize you give everything you got and you don't have nothing more. And then you turn around and you're mad at somebody else who, when they take it from you, we beg you, but when they like the devil say, him tempt you, but he didn't force you. So it's one of those things. So you're gonna see cars and hear people walking by. Because as I said, I am in San Francisco. I am next to the Golden Gate Bridge. But Lord, they walk along, you see. Because I come off of Pier 39 and it never looks so interesting to me. Because I don't want to go see no fish in no aquarium. Not me. Sure not. So here. Oh my God! Oh Lord Jesus, look a kid just riding his bike, and him not look where I go so loud. Look, almost me get run over. Anyways, as me say, this area, and I'm glad I was able to make it, and I'm glad I can actually share it with you. I'm glad I'm able to share this with you. I am sharing with you. So welcome. Walk with the Jamaican girl, walk with the little Butterfoot girl, and see what's going on in our life, okay? And I have my thing on a camera that is, the thing spins. So yeah, it's sorry. Oh Jesus. I stop right there because one little baby run to come hug up my leg. I mean, I know and I do not know the child, but that's how it is with me and children. I don't know how I'm ending up having only one in the background and people running. So, yes. So, you can see me walking and may see other people around me. But as I said, welcome to San Francisco, the famous Golden Gate Bridge. So guys, walk good and come again. I may have to do a second part, I don't know, because I'm trying to, people videoing and I'm videoing and people taking pictures, I'm taking pictures, and you know, it's one of those things. And so on Classic Carrier, Pier 27. Come with me. Classics. See the car behind me? Yeah. Oh. I will ride this one now. Elvis Presley. Alright, so guys, walk good and come again. You hear? Walk good.